Hi there, I'm Kerry. Welcome aboard. Later in the program, we'll tell you how the Caribbean Maritime Institute got a hold of this vessel and its plans for it. And the CMI is also at the center of our Career Tips segment this month. But first, it's all about selling luxury.
I am the president of Luxury Yacht Group, which is a yacht recruitment company based in Fort Lauderdale, Florida and Antibes, France. We place about 2,000 yacht crew a year through our agency.
Rupert Connor has made a career out of working in the luxury yacht industry. And as it has been for him, this unique sector could be your destination for employment.
Yachts range in sizes from about 50 feet to larger mega yachts and can be privately owned or chartered to people able to pay the price. But whether they are designated private or charter, all yachts require a crew to maintain and run the vessels.
It offers a genuine career path for people who are interested in long-term employment.
This is an industry with jobs for everyone, but it's not for everyone. Luxury yacht owners indulge in a lifestyle of glamour, fun, and exclusivity. But crewing on a yacht is not glamorous, and it's not a paid vacation.
Very, very important that people who are looking to go into the yachting industry identify that they are not the owners. The owners are not there to pay for their wonderful vacation and billionaire lifestyle. It is a hard-working industry.
In fact, expect to work long hours, including holidays and weekends, and being away from your family for extended periods of time.
Usually averages from 12 to 15 weeks of the year where the owners are on board. We tend to put all hands on deck for those weeks and, burn the candle on both ends to make sure that the owner leaves with a big smile on his face.
As for making plans based on where you expect the vessel to dock,
in our industry, it's somewhat eccentric. We have clientele who fabulously will go to a beautiful port and somewhat on a whim move to a different port. So we try to plan as much as we can in advance, but very often things change.
So why would you want to work in this industry?
Financially, there's a very competitive salary which certainly pays far greater than you would have earned land-based for a similar position.
And many yachts do offer benefit packages that can include health insurance, paid vacations, annual flights, and education allowances. Plus, while you're not on vacation, you are traveling to fabulous locations and may just get the opportunity to discover new lands. Also,
you get to have opportunities to work with a fabulous team of people who've got interesting experiences, come from a very diverse background. So we could take perhaps a Jamaican engineer on board a boat with a South African captain, an English deckhand, a French chef, and a Japanese stewardess. We are a multinational, multicultural industry.
it's also one requiring people to work in very diverse areas. The most senior level is the officer group, which might include a senior master or captain with one or more juniors who help the captain execute his or her duties. These might involve crew hiring and dismissal, personal management, shipyard management, legal and regulatory compliance, navigation, and accounting. You could also be employed as a first officer or chief mate managing the deck crew, or as the officer of watch, who's a hands-on leader of the deck crew.
Our deck department is primarily responsible for the housekeeping of the exterior of the vessel.
Deck positions include a mate who does everything from assist with administrative and safety duties to maintenance and navigation watches.
We are very active in the recruitment of engineers. Most yachts have at least one engineer. The largest vessel that we've ever placed crew on board has 5 engineers on board at any one time, ranging from an unlimited master right down to a oiler.
You may also be employed as an Electronics Technical Officer ETO, having responsibility for the day-to-day maintenance of all electronic, computer, audiovisual, and communications equipment on the yacht. If you see yourself in the galley, available jobs can be found as an executive chef, leading a team that could include several juniors depending on the size of the vessel.
Hospitality hotel department is responsible for the interior, so everything diversifying from detailing bathrooms and linens doing the laundry on board, to the food service and preparation. Food service is in its own right a very high-end skill, and most of our chefs are trained in France or Italy and have Michelin-starred restaurant experience.
Depending on the size of the yacht and needs of the owner, you could also find employment as a spa or massage therapist, nanny or tutor, a nurse or medic, helicopter pilot, security officer, project manager, beautician, or a personal trainer, among a range of other jobs. Apart from specific training in any of these fields, if you're looking to fill a position on board a yacht, it's a good idea to obtain your basic STCW 95 certification. That's the Standards of Training Certification and Watch Keeping. But more important,
it's presumed that you have a license, it's presumed that you have experience, but the reality is the people making the hiring decisions are just interested primarily in your personality.
what he means is you must always focus on service, doing your task to optimize the owner's experience.
Making sure that if the owner's coming back from a dinner on board, that as the engineer you've warmed up the water in the jacuzzi, that the ice maker is functioning so that the champagne is chilled. Your job never just is limited by, oh, my title is this, so I only do that. The great yacht crew do a variety of tasks and integrate fully into every area of the teamwork on board.
So, interested? There are several professional yacht recruitment companies that you can sign up with to find jobs on board these vessels of luxury. Registration with the Luxury Yacht Group is free.
Not too long ago, a function was held right about here to welcome a new addition to the CMI's training arsenal. Let's find out about that right now and stick around for more on the offerings of the Institute.
I, Honorable Dr. Maurice Guy, on behalf of the Government of Jamaica, formally declare this vessel the property of the Caribbean Maritime Institute.
That was in April 2013 when the Matalon family donated this 60-foot Hatteras yacht named M.Y. Penny-Reel to the Caribbean Maritime Institute. The vessel was acquired for training purposes and can accommodate up to 30 persons. The acquisition supports a memorandum of understanding previously signed by CMI and the Luxury Yacht Group LYG to provide critical training to fill vacancies in the industry. LYG will develop a customized apprenticeship program through which it will take CMI graduates straight from graduation and place them as interns on a yacht where they are guaranteed at least 3 months work experience. The comprehensive training will include hospitality management, entertainment, interpersonal and communication skills, basic safety training and etiquette. Coupled with other such innovative partnerships between CMI and industry stakeholders, it means graduates of this institute will be uniquely positioned to grasp the employment opportunities in this niche sector. As our previous segment proves, the Caribbean Maritime Institute, the CMI, is on the cutting edge of global employment training needs.
Because we keep in touch with industry. It's about when people come in here, you start with the end in mind. You begin with what the market wants and you prepare people and place them into jobs.
And that's why this month's career tip is to consider the CMI as your destination for tertiary education. The CMI is a multidisciplinary tertiary educational institution, training students to meet the needs of the international shipping, logistics, and supply chain management sectors. It provides both land-based and seafarers training and is the only recognized institution in the Caribbean catering to this niche market.
So it's no longer just about what we do in Jamaica, but it's how we can connect with the rest of the world. This is why at the Caribbean Maritime Institute we first went for global accreditation on all our programs. That's why we're ISO 9001-2008 accredited by Lloyd's. And in short order, we are going for the ISO 14000 environmental certification.
The institution offers a range of courses through its engineering, marine, security, and shipping programs.
We offer 7 Bachelor of Science degrees at the Caribbean Maritime Institute, from port management, logistics and supply chain management, international shipping. We have a degree in cruise tourism and marine management. So that's excellent. We have an integrated security degree program, right? And all of these programs are in demand. But within those degrees, you actually get competency-based certification. That's internationally accredited.
Most degree, diploma and certificate programs require specific subjects and prerequisites as part of the admission requirements.
We usually ask for 5 CXCs as a minimum entry, including math and English. Physics is a great subject to have. It will give you a push ahead. But chemistry and integrated science, the technical drawing, these subjects are good.
You may apply to the Institute online or submit your application form to the school with a few critical documents. The school generally accepts applications from January to April of each year. Loans are available to all eligible students through the Students' Loan Bureau, and an installment plan is available for those who need it. And if you're still not convinced about the CMI for your university experience,
The CMI has the best record among all tertiary institutions in Jamaica with placement into jobs after graduation within 6 months. Right now our success rate is over 90%, and I think that is tremendous.
for more about the Caribbean Maritime Institute and its offerings, visit the institution online at cmi.edu.jm or on site at Norman Manley Highway, Palisadoes Park, Kingston.
As you can see, I'm back on deck about to set sail as we close our career discussion for today. Our maritime focus continues next time when we zero in on some jobs you can generally find on board ships. Till then, I'm Kerry, leaving you with this quote from Polish author Joseph Conrad. The humblest craft that floats makes its appeal to a seaman by the faithfulness of her life. Happy exploring.